This could be the one thing that could really mess you up if you're not careful. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. I'm a sewing content creator and pattern designer for Know Me Patterns. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be defining the commercial patterns sewing ratings. If you are new on your beginner sewing journey, this could be the one thing that could really mess you up if you're not careful. So if you're new to sewing, definitely go ahead and continue watching this video. These here are commercial sewing patterns. You can find them in stores depending on your area. You may be able to find them in Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and you can also find them online at simplicity.com as well as Amazon. Now these patterns are broken into 4 different sewing ratings or sewing levels, whichever you prefer to use. The first one is very easy, average, and advanced. Now, if you are new to sewing and you're unaware of these sewing ratings and you grab a pattern that is easy, you may think that this is the perfect pattern for you to start learning how to sew with, when in fact, there's actually a very easy category that may be a better option for you. Now, because I just filmed a video over on Simplicity page going over understanding a pattern envelope, I have the definitions of what these categories are. So let's go ahead and review them. Also, if you're interested in watching that video to learn more and understand a pattern envelope, I'll have that link for you down in the description box. But let's go ahead and get into these definitions. I'm gonna go ahead and read them straight from my phone because you don't care if I have it memorized or not. Number 1, very easy. The very easy category. These are the easiest and quickest patterns to sew. Great for beginners or experienced sewers with limited time available. Expect limited construction details, hand sewing, and fitting. Easy to sew fabrics are recommended. 3 patterns that are listed on Simplicity site under the very easy category would be these 3 patterns here. As you can see, these are going to have limited construction details. You may have to hand stitch an inch of fabric at most. These are the easiest and quickest patterns to stitch up. So if you are new to sewing and you have no experience at all, definitely look for patterns in this very easy category as opposed to the easy category. Let's read that definition. The easy sewing ratings is defined as easy to sew patterns, but with more details than the very easy category. Perfect for those with limited sewing knowledge or limited time. A couple examples from Simplicity website of some patterns in their easy categories would be these 3 patterns here. As you can see, they may have a little bit more detail or even more pattern pieces than the very easy category does. And that's something that I always recommend for those who are new to sewing with patterns, or if you're in a sewing rut and you're trying to get out of the rut, trying to get back to the sewing machine, you definitely want to look for things that do not have a lot of pattern pieces. The last thing that you want to do is be overwhelmed with 10 pattern pieces. Stick to 5 or less, 6 being the max, and the 6 would be an elastic casing guide, which technically you do not have to cut that out of fabric. So definitely keep your patterns 6 and below at most if you're just starting out. That way you're not getting overwhelmed. You don't have to keep up with so much as you are sewing. That's just my 2 cents. But again, the easy category is a bump up from very easy. So you are going to have a little bit more detail in these patterns in this category than you would in the very easy category. Keep that in mind. Next up, we have the average sewing category, and that is defined as the average patterns. These patterns are perfect if you have more time to sew and you have more experience sewing. Look for challenging designer techniques, tailoring, unique construction details. Expect more fitting and inner constructions. You can find more variety in fabrics such as a stretchy knit, synthetic leathers, and suedes. So this is interesting because not only are the techniques also increasing with the average sewing range, you have more unique construction detailing, more fitting, more inner construction. The fabrics are also getting a little bit more challenging as well. And I won't say challenging, but they're not just a cotton or a linen. Now you can play around with some synthetic leathers and suedes. And don't get me wrong, you can absolutely use these fabrics. If you are a beginner, you can, but there are some things that you want to keep in mind when using certain fabrics so that you are using the proper needle. You have the right presser foot on your machine. So little things like that is something that someone more experienced or who has kind of played around with their machine a little bit more would know. So Again, you're free to use whatever fabric you want. Just keep in mind, it is a little bit more understanding of the fabric, how to care for it, how to create with it, how to cut them, how to sew them, how to press them, how to care for them. That just comes over time as you sew more. So that just really stuck out to me. Not only are the average patterns a little bit more challenging, you're getting a little bit more detail, a little bit more construction, a little bit more fitting than the easy and very easy patterns. Also, you'll see more variety of the fabric recommendations on the back of those patterns as well. At least that's what I think it's saying. That's what it's saying. A few examples from simplicity.com for patterns that fall into this average sewing range would be these patterns here. Again, you can see that there is an increase of construction, increase of fitting, increase of detail that goes into these patterns. Now, I do want to say, just because these patterns have ratings on them do not mean that you have to just stick in that rating like, oh, I'm a beginner, I can't get an average pattern just yet. You can get whatever pattern you want. These ratings are just like some guides, just so you know exactly what that category, who it was created for, or what was in mind, you know, when they created that rating. The very easy was created for beginners who want some quick and easy patterns, or even advanced sewers who may be short on time and just need something really quick. So again, these ratings they're just ratings. You can sew whatever pattern you want whenever you want it. But if you want to kind of go at your pace for what they have created the patterns for, then definitely kind of follow the levels, ratings, if you will. Now that we've covered the very easy, and the average, let's take a look at the last one, and that one is advanced. Advanced, these are the most detailed patterns for those who like the sewing challenge of professional tailoring and fine couture techniques. Expect intricate fashion shaping, hidden construction details, couture inner constructions, fine touches of hand sewing, and bias draping. Shop Vogue patterns to find designs with the average rating. Well, there you go. If you are an expert or an advanced sewer, you've been sewing for years, and you're looking for those extra fine touches, those details, that fitting, definitely check out the Vogue patterns. That's where you're going to find the advanced patterns, and that advanced rating category is going to be in those Vogue patterns for you. And again, if you feel like you have been maybe sewing at the average pattern level for some years and you're ready for the push, I encourage you to take on that challenge. Find you a nice advanced pattern. You may actually surprise yourself and be able to make it a successful garment the first time through. It's all about starting where you are and then just continuing to build on those skills and those techniques until you sew whatever you want. A few patterns from Simplicity website in this advanced category would be these patterns here. If you have any of these patterns that I'm showing up on the screen, let me know below. And if you have sewn them and love them, also let me know in the comments. I would love to know what you all have sewn, what you all love. And I think that'll also be helpful for other people who watch this video who may not know what to sew, or may not know which ones to grab, or maybe they've inspired to sew some of these and you have them. Your comment could just help push them over the edge to try it. If you all are interested in this PDF with the definitions that I was reading off of, I'll have that link for you below in the description box. And also, if you want to check out that video, if you're new to sewing and you want to understand patterns a little bit better, I'll have that link for you down below as well. So what have we learned, friends? What have we learned? Let's do a quick review. Number one, if you are new to sewing, welcome. Welcome to the sewing community. Welcome to my channel. If you enjoyed listening to me, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of step-by-step sewing videos here that will help you along your journey. Number two, did we learn that? I just added that. We didn't, now. Number two, commercial sewing patterns have sewing ratings on the back of them. There are 4 sewing ratings: very easy, average, and advanced. If you are new to sewing, definitely make sure that you are looking in that very easy category. Those are going to be your easiest and quickest patterns to stitch up. If you're more advanced, definitely make sure that you are in that Vogue pattern and you're looking for things that are going to continue to challenge you and grow your skills and techniques. And lastly, whatever level that you are at, I encourage you to just continue sewing one stitch at a time, make progress, and continue growing and getting better. Well, that is all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down for me below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. And I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.